Okay, here's question 14 on the calculator paper. Now, question 14 on the calculator paper, you don't get fazed by the x's and all of that. Read the question first. The question says p is equal to 3.5x minus y, right? So that's all they've given you. Work out the value of p when x is 12 and y is 6. So they want you to work out p when x is 12 and y is 5. Okay, now this question, the topic here is substitution. Basically, they want you to replace the letters with the numbers. Now, p is equal to 3.5x minus y. You're timesing 3.5 and x, and then you're going to take away whatever y is. So 3.5 times whatever x is, so you're going to be timesing 12, and then you're going to take away y. So 3.5 times 12, and then take away y, which is 5. Now we can do all of that on the calculator. I'm going to do it in 2 steps. 3.5 times 12, that's 42, and then I'm going to take away. Now, I don't know if you understand, but the words A and S means the last answer that came up on the calculator. So 3.5 take away 12 is 3.5 times 12 is 42. That take away 5, 42 take away 5, 42 take away 5 is 37. That is my answer to this question. Okay, now this next part says work out the value of p when x is minus 9 and minus 6. Now they're just trying to confuse you with negative numbers here, but don't be confused. Do exactly what we did before, right? P is equal to 3.5 times whatever x is. And what is x? X is minus 9. And then you're going to still take away whatever y is, but this time y is minus 6. Okay, now there are a couple of things that you could do with this, right? You could think about this in several clever ways to help you arrive at the correct answer. That symbol there on your calculator, this one here, that means take away. It's minus, right? But these signs here, right, that means that that's a minus 9. And I can use this button here on my calculator to actually show this. Let me use that. This button here, the minus with the brackets around it. So if you look at what I'm going to do, I'm going to do 3.5 times minus 9. Okay, and that's what I've just entered there. Equals, and you can see the calculator gives me it as a negative number. Now I'm going to take away minus 6. Yep, so that's what I've just done. I've worked out that, and I'm going to take away minus 6. And here's my result. This is my overall result, minus 25.5. Okay, I'm going to just show you another way of doing this quite quickly, just so that we know the skills. We could use these in other problems as well. If I look at these two, that's a positive number timesing a negative number, right? So I know my answer is going to be a minus, and if I just go away and do 3.5 times 9, that's 31.5. Now 31.5, a minus and a minus, if I have two minus signs together, that's going to mean it's a positive, and that's positive 6. Now I just need to do that minus 31.5 add 6 equals, and I've got the same result as I did before. So you could use either technique. I used less of the calculator with the second way, right? With the first way I got the calculator to do it. So rewind this, think about it, make sure you know it, make sure you understand it, and make sure you can get full marks in this. Okay?